Hello. In today's video, we will talk about how you can connect Zerodha broker with Niota Ultimate Option Trading app. So let's get started. As you can see, there is a button labeled Connect New Broker. As soon as you click on this button, a pop-up will appear displaying a list of all available brokers. As you can see, Upstox and Zerodha are currently available for connection and AngelOne will soon available. It's important to note that Upstox and AngelOne provide free API support, but Zerodha charges its users Rs 2000 per month for API support. That's why we recommend connecting Upstox broker with Niota. As soon as you click on Zerodha, the Setup Zerodha Kite API page will open. This will ask you for an API key and API secret to connect Zerodha Kite. We will guide you step by step on how to generate this. This process needs to be done only once, and after that, you can log into the Zerodha Kite directly every day. So first, we will click on API icon at the top, which will redirect us to the official Zerodha Kite Connect website. Here, we need to log into our Zerodha Kite Connect account. If you don't have a Kite Connect account, you can sign up for one. So first, we will enter our Kite Connect email and password here and log in. Now, we need to click on the Create New App button. Here, I would like to mention that Zerodha charges its users Rs 2000 per month to create an API. We need to choose the Connect option, which charges Rs 2000 per month. Now, here, we will enter name of our new app as Niota app. Below that, we need to enter our Zerodha client ID, which we can find in the Zerodha Kite app. Enter the client ID. You don't need to select anything for the app icon below. Next, we need to enter the redirect URL, which can be found in the Niota app. By clicking the copy button, the redirect URL will be copied and we will paste it into the Kite Connect. Below that, we need to enter postback URL. Again, the postback URL can be found in the Niota app. By clicking the copy button, the postback URL will be copied and we will paste it into Kite Connect. In the description field, we will enter Niota App Connect, but you can enter anything you like. Now, we will click Create and our app will be created. We already have an app created. Here, you can see the Niota app. Now, we will click on the Niota app. Scroll down. From here, we will copy the API key and then go back to the Niota platform and paste it there. Just below that, you will see the Show API Secret button. By clicking that button, you will see the API secret. We'll copy that as well and paste it into the Niota platform. Now, we will click the Connect Kite button. Once we click Connect Kite, Zerodha broker will be added to Niota. You only needed to perform this Connect Kite step once. Now you can see the Login with Kite button. Once we click the Login with Kite button, Niota will redirect you to Zerodha Kite's official website for login. Here, we need to log in to our Zerodha Kite account. First, we will enter our Zerodha ID and password here. Click the Login button. Now, you need to enter the Kite mobile app code, which you can find in the Zerodha Kite app. Enter the code and click Continue. Once you click Continue, the login will be successful and your Niota app will open. Thank you.